welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lady Raga for March month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly open it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for the monthly subscription in 555. And let me tell you, now they have the mini edition also, mini Lady Raga bag. And of course, they have longer subscriptions. I will be mentioning the link in the description box. So yes, you can go ahead, just click on the link and buy a box. Now let me quickly open it and show you what all it has. And this month it's really special because it's 3+3 March edition. This is the info card. So how does 3+3 edition works? Let me tell you. So you will be getting 3 products plus 3 product will be, you can actually choose the product, which is great, I guess. And in these product also, which 3 are the common product, there also you have options. So let's just start with the first one. The first one, which is the star product in the box, is by Sente. In this you have 2 options. You can take the lipstick or you can take the mascara. I have got the mascara. So this is the beautiful mascara. The packing is really nice. I love the color. Teal is the color, the outer body. So it looks nice. It's a black mascara. The price for this one is 900 rupees. Wow. And it's something different. The brush is different for this one. So I'm definitely going to use it. And yes, star product, so happy with this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Khadi Natural, and this is the night cream. This is how it looks. It's the nourishing night cream. The price for this one is 399 rupees. The manufacture of January 2020. Best before, let me just see. Okay, I can't see the best before. Okay, and the quantity for this one is 50 gram. The price I've already told you, 399. This is for all skin type, no mineral oil, and this one is paraben free, of course, organic product. So looks nice. I'm definitely going to try it. Good brand. So yes, happy with this. Now moving on to the third one. The third one is a pair of earrings, and these are the one. Let me show you. Okay, these are the one. Very pretty, very colorful, you can say. Let me just wear both of these. So for that I have to remove my earrings and wear them. So this is how the earrings look. You can just see it's very pretty, very stylish. This is the design. Yes, happy with these. Multicolors, so of course they will go with everything. And yes, I like it. Now 3 product of your choice. Of course, you can select the product as per your choice. What I have chosen, let me just quickly show you. The first one is by Khadi and Khadi Natural. This is the rose oil, pure essential oil. 12 gram is the quantity. The price for this one is 399 rupees. So yes, I really like essential oil. That's why I've chosen this one. Now the second product is this. This is a lip liner by Revolution Makeup. And this is a lip liner. You can just see the color. It's pink, and you know pink is my favorite color. So that's why pink lip liner from Revolution London. Now the third product is this one. This is by Plush, and this is a lemongrass gel. This is how it looks. The color is really pretty. I have used this product. This gel is really nice, and this fragrance is exactly like lemongrass. Wow. So yes, I like it. So I'm definitely going to try this one, and that's why I've chosen this product. So yeah, so that's all what I've received in my Lady Raga for March month. So you will be getting 6 products in only 555, and if you take longer subscription, of course this will cost you much lesser. So yes, I like it. I will be mentioning everything in the description box. If you like it, go ahead and place your order. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.